Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Leo and Lila.
Today, we will learn English very simply and easily.
Don't worry, just relax and have fun while learning.
That's right. Learning English should be enjoyable.
I'm Leo.
And I'm Lila.
Oh, no. Oh, no, oh, no, oh, no.
Leo, what are you doing? You look like you're dancing.
I am not dancing. I am panicking. I can't find it.
Can't find what?
My wallet.
Oh, that is a problem.
I wanted to buy a sandwich, but now I am penniless. I am broke. I am destitute.
Okay, stop the drama. It is probably in your other jacket.
But I am hungry now.
Well, this is a perfect opportunity to talk about today's topic, money and banking.
Money. Cash. Dosh. Dough.
We will learn the vocabulary for paying, saving, and spending.
We will learn how to use an ATM, the cash machine, without losing your card.
We will explain the difference between credit cards and debit cards.
And the confusing verbs borrow versus lend. Why are they so hard?
And finally, Leo will tell us the tragic story of the day he blocked his card in a supermarket line.
There were 20 angry people behind me. It was a nightmare.
Let's start with the basics. Physical money.
We call physical money cash.
Cash is king. Cash comes in two forms.
Paper money is called notes in the UK or bills in the US.
A $10 bill, a 20-pound note.
And metal money is called coins.
Coins are heavy and annoying. They make your pocket jingle. Jing jing.
I keep my coins in a jar. I call it my treasure chest.
What is the currency in your country?
In the USA, it is the dollar.
In the UK, it is the pound.
In Europe, it is the euro.
In Japan, it is the yen.
I wish I had any currency right now. Even a potato would be nice.
If you need cash, where do you go?
To the bank?
Yes, but if the bank is closed, you go to a machine.
The ATM.
ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine.
In the UK, they call it a cash point, or a cash machine, or a hole in the wall.
A hole in the wall? That sounds strange.
I need to go to the hole in the wall to get some cash. It is slang.
Okay, let's practice using an ATM, step by step.
Step 1. Insert your card.
Put the plastic card into the slot.
Step 2. Enter your PIN.
PIN stands for Personal Identification Number. It is usually 4 digits.
My PIN is 1234.
Leo, never tell anyone your PIN. That's a secret.
Oh, forget I said that. My PIN is complicated.
When you type your PIN, you must cover the keypad.
Yes, hide your hand so spies cannot see.
Step 3, select an option. Usually you want to withdraw cash.
To withdraw means to take out.
I want to withdraw $100.
Or get cash out.
You can also check your balance.
Balance is how much money you have in the account.
When you check your balance, Leo, what do you see?
Usually I see a sad number, like $5 or 0.
Step 4, take your cash and take your card.
Don't forget the card. The machine will beep at you. Beep, beep, beep.
And finally, take the receipt, the small paper.
I always throw the receipt away. It is evidence of my spending.
Now, what if you don't use cash? What if you use plastic?
Cards.
There are 2 main types, debit card and credit card.
What is the difference? They look the same.
A debit card uses your money.
Money that is in my account right now.
Yes, if you have $0, the card stops working. Declined.
A credit card uses the bank's money.
You are borrowing money from the bank. You buy now, pay later.
Ah, the dangerous card. Free money.
It is not free money. You have to pay it back, usually with interest.
Interest. That is the extra money you pay to the bank. The cost of borrowing.
If you don't pay your credit card bill, you get into debt.
Debt. D-E-B-T. The B is silent. We say debt.
I am in debt. This means I owe money.
I am in debt to you, Lila. I owe you for that sandwich last week.
Yes, you do. That was $5 plus interest. Now it's $50.
What? That is robbery.
That is banking, Leo.
Okay, I'll pay you eventually.
In the next part, we will talk about modern payments, tapping your phone, online banking, and how to describe prices.
Is it cheap? Is it expensive? Is it a ripoff?
And we'll learn the difference between salary and wages.
Money talk. Stay tuned. Okay, credit cards are scary. What about paying with my phone?
Ah, yes, contactless payment.
I love it. I just hold my phone near the machine and beep, magic.
We call that tapping.
Can I tap?
Or do you take Apple Pay? Do you take Google Pay?
It is so dangerous, Lila. It is too easy. I buy things by accident.
How do you buy things by accident?
I was just checking my messages and suddenly I bought a new sofa.
That is not how it works. You have to confirm it.
Still, I prefer cash. Cash feels real. When I give you $20, I cry a little bit.
That pain stops you from spending too much.
Exactly. Speaking of spending, let's learn the verbs.
The main verb is to spend.
Be careful with the preposition. We say spend money on something.
Not spend money for.
I spend money on food. She spends money on clothes.
What do you spend your money on, Leo?
I spend my money on video games and pizza.
Of course. Now, there is a negative verb, to waste.
To waste means to spend money badly on stupid things.
Don't waste your money on gambling.
I wasted $50 on a gym membership that I never use.
That is a classic waste of money.
And the opposite of spend?
To save.
To save means to keep money, to put it in the bank for the future.
I am saving up for a car.
I am saving up for a holiday.
Do you have a savings account?
No, I have a piggy bank, a pink pig made of ceramic.
That is cute, but does it give you interest?
No, but it smiles at me.
Now, let's talk about prices. How do we describe the cost?
If the price is low, it is cheap.
If the price is high, it is expensive.
If the price is okay or fair, it is reasonable.
The food was good and the price was reasonable.
But if the price is crazy high, we have a great idiom.
It's a ripoff.
I love this phrase, a ripoff. It means they are stealing your money legally.
$10 for a coffee? That is a ripoff.
$50 for a t-shirt? Total ripoff.
And if the price is very good,
It's a bargain.
look at these shoes, only $20. It's a bargain.
I love bargains. I buy things I don't need just because they are a bargain.
Look, Lila, 50 kilos of onions, only $1.
It was a bargain. Now I just need to eat onions for a month.
You are terrible with money.
Where does money come from, Lila? Does it grow on trees?
No, you have to earn it.
To earn money. This means to work for money.
There are two words for money from work, salary and wages.
What is the difference?
Salary is usually a fixed amount per month or per year for office jobs, teachers, doctors.
I get a monthly salary.
Wages are usually paid per hour or per week for manual jobs, waiters, shop assistants.
The minimum wage.
He earns good wages.
I want a salary, a big fat salary.
Then you need to work harder, Leo.
Or I can win money.
In the lottery, the chances are 1 in a million.
Or I can inherit money.
To inherit means to get money when someone dies.
Do I have a rich uncle, Uncle Scrooge?
I don't think so.
Then I have to use the confusing verbs borrow and lend.
Oh, students hate these words. Let's explain them simply.
Borrow equals take temporarily.
Lend equals give temporarily.
If I need money, I ask you, can I borrow $10?
And I say, yes, I can lend you $10.
Borrow takes. Lend gives.
Imagine the direction of the money. Money comes to me, borrow. Money goes from me, lend.
Lila lent me money. Lila to Leo.
Leo borrowed money from me, Leo to Lila.
Correct?
Yes.
Don't say, "Can you borrow me money?" That is wrong.
Say, can you lend me money?
Or, "Can I borrow money?"
It's tricky. I just remember lend rhymes with send. You send money, you lend money.
That's a great tip. Lend equals send. And borrow rhymes with sorrow because I am sad I have no money.
Whatever helps you remember.
So, Lila, can you lend me $5?
No,
Why?
because you never pay me back.
Pay back. That means to return the money.
I owe you $5. When will you pay me back?
Next Tuesday, I promise.
You always say that.
Okay, we talked about earning and spending, but what about banking vocabulary?
If you go to the bank, you can open an account.
You need ID and proof of address.
There are two types of accounts: current account, or checking account in America,
This is for every day, for shopping and bills.
and savings account.
This is for keeping money safe. It pays interest.
If you spend more money than you have, you go into overdraft.
Overdraft. That means the bank lends you money automatically, but it's expensive.
Be careful with overdrafts. The fees are high.
Fees. The extra money the bank takes.
ATM fees, overdraft fees, late fees.
Banks love fees. I hate fees.
In the next part, we'll hear Leo's story, the card blocked incident.
It was so embarrassing. The cashier was shouting, "Declined, declined."
And everyone was looking at you?
Yes, it was a tragedy.
Stay tuned for the drama.
Okay, Leo, you promised to tell us the card blocked story.
Oh, God, it still hurts to think about it.
Tell us what happened.
It was a Friday evening, 6 p.m., the supermarket was packed.
Packed means very busy, full of people.
Yes, I had a huge trolley of food: pizza, cola, ice cream, and cat food.
A balanced diet.
I stood in the queue, or line. There were 10 people behind me. They looked tired and angry.
The pressure was on.
Finally, it was my turn. The cashier scanned everything. Beep, beep, beep.
How much was the total?
It was $150. I felt rich. I took out my card like a boss.
You tapped it.
No, it was too much for tapping. I had to insert the card.
Okay.
I typed my PIN, 1, 2, 3. Wait, I can't say it. I typed the PIN, I pressed enter.
And?
The machine thought for a second, and then it made a horrible noise. Eh-heh.
The sound of rejection.
The screen said, declined.
Declined means the bank said no.
The cashier looked at me. She shouted, "It's declined."
Why did she shout?
I don't know. I said, "Shh, try again, please. It must be a mistake."
Did you try again?
Yes, I rubbed the chip. I prayed to the banking gods. I inserted it again.
And?
Declined. Insufficient funds.
Insufficient funds means you have no money, Leo.
But I had money. I had money in my savings account. I just forgot to transfer it to my current account.
Ah, a classic mistake. So did you transfer it on your phone?
I tried, but there was no signal in the shop. No 4G, no Wi-Fi.
Oh no. So you stood there with $150 of food and zero money.
The people behind me started sighing. Ugh, hurry up. One man said, "Come on, mate."
I can feel the embarrassment.
Then I tried the card a third time, and the machine said, "Card blocked."
Why?
Because of suspicious activity. The bank thought I was a thief.
So what did you do?
I looked at the cashier, I looked at the angry people, and I ran away.
You ran away?
Yes, I left the food. I just walked out very fast. I left my dignity in the supermarket.
Leo, you left the trolley there? That is terrible.
I panicked. I am sorry.
Viewers, don't be like Leo. If your card is declined, just apologize and pay with cash.
I didn't have cash, I told you.
Always carry some emergency cash, just in case technology fails.
I learned that lesson. Now I keep $20 in my sock.